This asteroid was found on May 10. 8 days later, it passes inside the Moon's orbit. Not a hit, a safe miss, but the calendar is the point. NASA JPL lists asteroid 2026 JH2 as a near-Earth Apollo object. The close approach is May 18, 2026, at about 21:58 UTC. The number that makes the room go quiet is the gap, about 0.000612 astronomical units from Earth, roughly 91,600 kilometers from Earth's center. That is less than 1/4 of the Moon's distance. In this film, we scale it as only 7 Earth diameters across the warning lane. Now watch the route. Earth is here. The Moon is out here. JH2 cuts through the inside corridor, moving around 9.15 kilometers every second. The rock is small, and JPL marks it as not a potentially hazardous asteroid, so the story is not impact panic. The story is discovery time. First observation, May 10. JPL solution update, May 15. Flyby, May 18. A new dot crossed from unknown to track to close approach in the same week. That is why near-Earth object surveys matter. Telescopes do not just find disasters, they turn blank space into a measured path. Each new observation tightens the tube. The uncertainty corridor shrinks. The route stops being a rumor and becomes a number. Breathe on this frame. Safe miss, close enough to teach the scale. The Moon is not a wall. Earth's neighborhood is a lane, and small objects can enter it with very little warning. So remember the real headline: 7 Earths was enough this time. The system worked. The object was found, measured, and published. But the clock was short, and the next dot is already somewhere in the dark.